Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Pyramid. Let's see the questions based on the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Let's see how the questions can be asked. So a question is asked to you to verify that these are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Polynomial is given to you and we have to verify that these are the zeros of a given polynomial, and we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification as soon as the video is uploaded. Now what we have to do, we will write a polynomial px is equals to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Now we are going to verify these are the given zeros, are the zeros of the given polynomial or not. For this we are going to put the value of zeros in place of x. For 3, P3 is equal to 3 into 3 whole cube minus 5, 3 whole square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So what it is going to be? It is going to be 81 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3. It is equals to 81 minus 81, which is P of 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Now we are going to find for P equals to minus 1. It is equals to 3 minus 1 whole cube minus 5 minus 1 whole square minus 11 minus 1 minus 3. So it is equals to minus 3 plus, it is going to be minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. So it is going to be minus 11 plus 11. So it is going to be 0. So P of minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we will verify for P equals to minus 1 by 3. It is equals to 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 minus 3. It is equals to 3 into minus 1 by 27 plus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus ka 3. Sorry, it is not minus, it is minus. Okay. So it is going to be minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 33 by 9 minus 3. So you will get 33 minus 33 divided by 9. So P of minus 1 by 3, it is equals to 0. So from here we have verified that the given zeros are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of our given polynomial. So we know that this is our general form of equation and this is the relationship between them. For some of the zeros we are having minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. What is the polynomial given to us? So P of x is equals to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 is given to you. We will first write it in the form of ax cube plus bx square. So we can write it as 3x cube plus minus 5x square plus minus 11x plus minus 3. Okay. Now we compare the coefficients. So we will get alpha plus beta plus gamma. It should be minus b by a. So it should be minus 5 by 3. So it should be 5 by 3. Okay. And what is the product of the zeros? It should be minus d by a. The minus, it is minus 3 by 3. So it should be equals to 1. And product of the zeros, it should be c by a, means minus 11 divided by 3. So this is the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros from directly from the equation. Now we will find this relationship from the zeros we have given to us. So how can we do it? We will write like this: alpha plus beta plus gamma, it should be equals to 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, so it is 2 minus 1 by 3. So it is equals to 5 by 3. Now, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, so it should be 3 into minus 1 plus beta minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3. So it should be minus 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so it should be minus 4 plus 1 by 3. So it should be your minus 11 by 3. Your alpha beta gamma, it should be 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. So you will get 1. Okay. We have still gone through all these from here also. So we are having 5 by 3 minus 11 by 3 and 1. So our relationship between these are verified. So in this way we can verify the relationship between them. Another variety of question is given to us in which we have to find the cubic polynomial when the sum of the zeros, product of the zeros is given to you. So we will first write the general form of the cubic polynomial in the form of their zeros. So from here we will write the equation. So we will write P of x is equals to k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. Okay, and we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 2 is given to you, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equals to minus 7 is given to us, and alpha beta gamma is equals to minus 14 is given to us. So we will substitute these values here. We will get P of x is equals to k x cube minus, in place of alpha plus beta we will write 2 x square plus, in place of this we will write minus 7 x minus alpha beta gamma. In place of minus alpha beta gamma we will write minus 14. Okay, so P of x is equals to k x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 40. This is the cubic polynomial for which this relationship is given to us, where k is the constant. Its value can be 0, 1, 2, 3. If k is equals to 1, so P is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. And the value of the k varies, shows us that there is a series of polynomial. If you are having any doubt and query, please write in the comment box. If you find the video useful to you, please like and share the video. Thank you so much.